Hey everybody, this is Mike Barakat with XX7AI.com, and in today's video we're going to do a deep dive in our Campaigns Pro tool. So this is an AI-powered email tool. Let's go ahead and dive in, take a look at how to create a campaign and how our AI-powered campaign builder works. First thing you want to do, of course, is go ahead and log into your account. And if you have this product activated, we're going to see it on the left-hand side of the dashboard, right under campaigns. And let's take a look at a campaign that I already have going here for realtors. Now, as you can see, you're going to be able to create multiple emails in a campaign. You can also include text messages as well. And you'll be able to basically set these out weeks apart, months apart, based on the type of business that you run. You'll be able to configure these actions. Now let's take a look at one of the emails I have here and how it was built. So the first thing on the left-hand side here, we're going to see a template name. So you can name your template. You'll also see the subject line, an inbox preview to the subject line. You can create a heading, and you can also use our AI-powered image builder here to generate an image. Below that, you'll see rich text, which means the body of your email. You can click on this button here and you could enter a prompt used to generate content for your email. So you could generate a paragraph about your business for a marketing email, for example, create the content, and then you'll see the generated content right here, and you'll be able to click on use content and it'll plug that right in there. You can also include buttons with your emails. Very easy. You'll just click on add new block and you can add an image, a heading, a text, a button, an image and a text, a contact card, a simple table, a divider, a spacer, or raw HTML. You can also click on suggest content. Again, a quick button over here to create the content for your email. You'll have the view of the desktop, table, and mobile, and you'll be able to save and head back to your email campaign. It's that easy. So now let's take a look at creating a new campaign together. In this campaign, I'm going to call it Demo 1. All right. And as you can see here, we can add emails, we can add SMS if you're signed up for SMS messages. It does come with your Campaign Pro package, and we're going to click on add new email. Now, quick mention here, we can also click on an email that is an existing email. We have templates that are built in. For example, you can click on a marketing template. It'll show you the template and you can customize that template. But for right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and create a new email. I'm gonna call this demo template. The subject line, this is how we do it. And in the inbox preview, I will say with XX7AI, it's easy to make amazing emails. And you'll see it generating the image over here on the right. Now I want to add a new block and I can add a heading, and I'll say, this is how we make emails with AI. I can center that, add a new block. This could be an image. Now I can choose an image from my computer, or I can choose to generate the image with AI. And let's say I say a man at his computer and he is smiling. Generate the image. So you can enter a prompt to generate an image for your email, or of course use one directly from your computer. Guys, this is an amazing tool. It really is, and it's going to help you with your brand. It's going to help you create amazing campaigns. And it generated the image here. It looks amazing. I can also click on this plus button. If I don't like the image that it's provided me, it'll keep on generating more images for me. All right, so we have 2 images here, and let's say we use this image. It's going to go ahead, plug the image in the email. Looks amazing. We're going to hit add new block, and we're going to add rich text, which is basically the body of the email. And I'm going to go ahead and click over here to generate a prompt for the AI to create the body of the email for me. And I want to talk about this. I want to talk about how our AI powered email builder is amazing. And we're going to generate the content. So from one sentence, we have an entire body of the email. We're going to use content. All right, now I can go in and edit this and make it look exactly how I'd like it to look. Instead of it saying "Dear Team," I am going to go ahead and use use a name from the CRM, and I'll show you how to do that exactly. So of course, you're assigning these campaigns to people that you have saved in your CRM. So most likely you'll have their name and number. Now, if you do have their name and you want to extract that information from the CRM, you're going to click on this button over here. We're going to click on contact details, and we're going to click on here, first name, and add. Okay. So what this is doing now is it is plugging in a name that I had in the CRM as an example. And you can actually select a contact here. And let's say we click on Christopher. We're previewing as Christopher. And it says, "Dear Christoph." And it's going to go ahead and plug in their information. You can add another block, which is a contact card, and choose your image, plug in your name, job title, additional information. Let's say I choose to just have my name, and then any other information here. It's going to go ahead and pull it up at the bottom. It could be a phone number. And you can also add a row, and you can include your email. It's that easy, folks. Once you're done, you're going to look at it in the tablet view if you'd like, the mobile view, just to make sure everything is the way you'd like it to be. Lastly, I can add another block. Let's say I go ahead and add a button. I can add the link to that button and learn more. And I can add the link. And that's how easy it is. Once you click on save, let's go ahead and grab the link from here, plug it in. All right, we don't have any errors over here now. I can click on save. So if you ever get an error and it's not picking up the information properly, just go ahead and grab the address that you want to plug in and put it right there. It should fix that error for you. Once you click on save, you can go back to your template. Now, this is showing what's happening on day 1, and you can also wait. So if I click on wait for 4 hours before starting, this means when I enroll the person or the list in this campaign, it's going to wait 4 hours before it actually starts. Now, when I click on add new email, and we'll just call this demo 2. This is for demo 2. Here we go. And let's say I add rich text and I say, this is about how simple it is to make emails with AI. All right. And I click on save. When I head back to my template, I'll be able to click on here, wait 1 week, wait a day, wait certain hours. So I could say I want to wait 4 weeks, and so on and so forth. And then once you publish this email campaign, you can go ahead and assign this campaign to anyone in your CRM. You can create a list of folks. You could search folks within your CRM, and it's as easy as clicking on the person's 3-dot setup on the right, and you can click on add to campaign, and you can search the campaign right over here, and it will show you a preview of that campaign, and you can go ahead and click on send. So it's super easy to use. And so what I would do if I was a new business owner who signed up with XX7AI.com is I would work with my team or really think deep about the different types of stages my clients go through or my customers go through, and understand what type of campaign they should be getting and what type of customers, if they're coming in through either web chat, voice receptionist, or let's say they've already processed a transaction with me, or whatever the case is, you can create a campaign specifically for them to remind them about services that they need, to remind them to come in for another appointment, to remind them about anything that you'd like. And it could be a year down the line, it could be 6 weeks down the line, it could be a day after you assign this campaign. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any other questions, email me at barakat, BARAKAT, at xx7ai.com.